Okay, in this video, we're going to determine if this infinite integral is convergent or divergent. Goes to a number, evaluates to a number, doesn't evaluate to a number. If it doesn't evaluate to a number, it evaluates to infinity or negative infinity. All right, comparison tests. Smaller than convergent is convergent. Bigger than divergent is divergent. But not vice versa, okay? Bigger than convergent tells you nothing. Smaller than divergent tells you nothing. It's just these situations here. If you have a function that is always smaller than another function, and the infinite integral for the other function converges, then the original has to converge. Okay. Now you may remember in a previous video, we determined that the improper or infinite integral from 1 to infinity, 1 over x cubed dx is 5x. So that means that this is a number, right? This is a finite number. So this says convergent. Convergent. All right, so now the question is 1 over 3 to the x always less than 1 over x cubed? For x values greater than or equal to 1. And it is. It is. All right, but let's see how we can figure this out. All right, so now consider, let's see, if you have two numbers, a and b, and a is greater than or equal to 1, and b is bigger than a. So this part right here, this just means that we're in the domain that we're concerned with, that we're dealing with, between 1 greater than or equal to 1. All right. If it's true that a is less than b, and they're both greater than or equal to 1, then it's also true that 1 over b is less than 1 over a. Now think about why that's true. Here, b is bigger than a. So 1 over b, we're dividing 1 by more. If you divide something by more, it gets smaller. So that's the idea. So as we know, x cubed grows slower than 3 to the x. X cubed grows slower than 3 to the x. So 1 over 3 to the x is less than 1 over x cubed. So this tells me that the integral from 1 to infinity of 1 over 3 to the x is less than Now look what we have here. This is smaller than convergent. Smaller than convergent is convergent. That's the comparison test.